Hey guys, it's Autumn and Hunter. Today we are doing another Black Box subscriptions unboxing video. So I do believe this is supposed to be like our November box. Sorry that they're coming in late, it's just kind of how it works. I don't know. Yeah. Excuse my cat.
I just opened the box.
If you didn't watch the last video that we did, the Black Box subscriptions, they like pack everything in like these like pages from books. So like that's pretty cool. It's a neat thing. We have a little sticker here. It's an orange crescent moon. It's cute.
Ghost on it. Purple wings. It's cute. Same Black Box subscription nail polish and black.
We're gonna have like an endless supply of black nail polish by the time we're done with these. Okay, so this is like some little arts and crafts thing you can assemble. I mean, I don't know what it is yet, so I'll just put it together while we're doing this.
Yeah. Alright. This is like
What's a bug?
skull on it. That's kind of cute.
There's like a thing on the back. Baneful Bows by Mona Lisa. It gives like her information and stuff right here, so yeah. We'll put the links and everything for these things in the description. Eyeshadow?
Shimoya Quad Color Smoky Shadow. So there's these four eyeshadows here. They're like some blue, some green and gray colors, some nice smoky colors. Right. Here's a bag.
Looks like some jewelry, maybe some earrings.
Okay, this is a necklace. Try to do it with the earring in my hand.
Okay, so this is the necklace. Again, excuse my cat. Jeez, quit.
Here's these earrings right here.
Those are cute.
Nice. And I think this is the last thing in the box. It's bath fizz. Drop entire contents packed into bath.
Two shed bathrooms, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna make salt in the camera.
We have a cat. That didn't come in the box. We don't have it in the box.
We ordered her from China. Acetate. Acetate!
better sounds of bottle.
Alright, yeah. After much assembly, because obviously like directions are hard to read for us, this is our spooky potion.
That was mildly fun.
Alright, you guys, well, hopefully we'll be adding more content soon, other than just the unboxing videos. But thanks for watching this video, and we hope you all have a great day.